Well, good morning, EU. We've been in a box here, and I'm still looking if we want to go to the upside. Something apparent to shoot to the upside if we are at the low. If this was the low of the week, perhaps this could be now the pattern for the direction to the upside. But strange, well, we are still squeezing people down. But I was just looking that this looks quite familiar. This and this that we were in the box because it looks somewhat familiar to this one. We've made a low. We were just chopping around and then made a pattern and pushed to the upside. But here, yeah, it was somewhat a little bit different because we've taken out here this high, then went to the lower, to the downside, and then put the pattern. So yeah, but if this is the low of the week, perhaps this was the box we were channeling inside, and this is the pattern to go to the upside. But we also have NFP news, so unemployment in the US, so they are perhaps ready for a move. So I will just be looking if we can make a perhaps pattern here, or is it already in the making here? Well, I don't know, to shoot up. But yeah, we are quite at the high of the day, but no, sorry. We are at the low of the day. Yeah, we shoot it here. So it was at the end of London. Yeah. If this was the consolidation, yeah, I don't know. Doesn't look that great, but could be. Uh, yeah. I'm a little bit confused, so I don't know. And this one, this looks also like is if this I was already looking for this as the low of the week, so for me was the continuation. We went back, took everything out, made a low. Perhaps this is the pattern to the upside, and perhaps we could look a pattern, or are they ready to go up, or can we make something else and go up, or just I don't, because we are still squeezing it down. Yeah, well, needs confirmation, but yeah, perhaps if this is now the to the upside because we went really down. So yeah, this is have a look what happens. GJ, well, again we have this wall. We move to the upside. But yeah, for me, the high was here, but perhaps this was the downside, down move, go to the upside. Yeah, we went from this side to the other side of the box, but still we are making moves inside this big box. So this is not, I don't know, uh, this is not really a reversal pattern. Looks strange. Yeah, I don't know. So this is, yeah, confusing. And yeah, could we continue with the pattern to the upside? Yeah, but then we don't take anything out, any liquidity. Yeah, again, confused. Or is this the reversal to the downside? It doesn't look really a reversal here. Perhaps another leg? Yeah, don't know. And Euro NZD. Yeah, So we went, this is really not a low for me. Yeah, but we've taken out all this low here to the left. We're in a box. Yeah, so very confusing. We are just going from one side to the other side. Yeah, if this is the low, but yeah, I don't know if there is something a pattern here to go up. Yeah, yeah, well, I'm very confused and I will be watching closer what's going on the on GUEU. But we have news this afternoon. Yeah, they are perhaps just consolidating to make a shoot in one direction. Yep, let's see what happens.